You ever meet that guy who says, "I've had this car for 15 years, never had a major issue"? Yeah, that's not luck. That's discipline. Engines don't just last forever because of good engineering. They last because their owners do the right things, consistently. The difference between a car that's still purring at 300,000 miles and one that dies before 100K usually comes down to a few simple monthly habits. So today, we're talking about 13 must-do car checks. Every driver should do once a month. Simple stuff. No dealership tools. Just you, your driveway, and a few minutes of common sense. Welcome to MotorMinds, the channel where real drivers, real owners, and real enthusiasts get straight-up automotive wisdom. If you're new, hit subscribe. Your support helps us grow the channel and keep bringing you real, useful car tips every week. All right, let's get into it. Habit number 1. Drive the car hard, once in a while. All right, first up, and this might sound a little strange, drive your car hard once in a while. No, I'm not saying abuse it, but give it a proper workout. Engines are designed to be used, not babied. If you only ever drive short trips, never get past 2,000 RPM, and let your car idle to the grocery store and back, you're basically teaching your engine to grow old before its time. Here's what happens. Condensation builds up in the exhaust, carbon builds up in the combustion chambers, and your piston rings start sticking. So once a month, take the car out for a decent highway run. Let it fully warm up, then give it a few strong accelerations. Let it breathe. Blow out that carbon. It's like taking your engine for a jog. Gets the fluids moving, burns off moisture, and keeps everything clean internally. You'll be amazed how smoother it feels after a spirited drive. Habit number 2. Listen for strange noises. Engines don't just fail out of nowhere, they complain first. And if you've driven long enough, you know sound is usually the first warning sign. Once a month, take your car out with the radio off and just listen. Hear any new ticking that wasn't there before? A whining sound when you accelerate? Maybe a faint rattle on a cold start? Those noises always mean something. They're your car's way of talking to you. A ticking sound could mean your oil level is low, or maybe a lifter is starting to go bad. A whining noise might be a belt tensioner beginning to fail. A rattle could come from a loose heat shield or an exhaust hanger that's coming apart. And if you ever hear a squealing sound, that's usually a worn-out belt or brake pads crying for attention. A knocking noise under the hood? That could mean something serious, like low oil pressure or engine wear. These small hints are your car's way of asking for help. Catching them early can save you thousands in repairs. You know your car better than anyone, so if something sounds off, don't ignore it. Trust your instincts, check it out, and fix the problem before it turns into a big one. Habit number 3. Clean the throttle body and MAF sensor. Here's something most car owners ignore. The throttle body and the MAF sensor. Once a month, pop the hood and give them a quick clean. Dirty airflow components are silent killers of a smooth-running engine. A gummed-up throttle plate can cause rough idling, hesitation, and wasted fuel. And a dirty MAF sensor feeds the ECU bad information, leading to poor performance and rich fuel mixtures that slowly choke your engine. Cleaning them is simple. All you need is a can of throttle body cleaner and a can of MAF sensor cleaner, not carb cleaner, not brake cleaner, the right products. Disconnect the MAF, spray it lightly, and let it dry. Then remove the intake tube, open the throttle plate, and clean the inside gently. When you're done, you'll notice it right away. A smoother idle, better throttle response, and cleaner combustion. Small job, big improvement. Habit number 4. Inspect belts and hoses. Now let's talk about something basic, but often ignored. Your belts and hoses. Once a month, pop the hood and give them a quick visual check. Start with the serpentine belt. Look closely for cracks, fraying, or glazing, that shiny, polished look. If you see any of that, replace it. Because if a belt snaps while you're driving, your day's over. And if it's the timing belt that goes, your engine might be done for good. Next, check your hoses. Squeeze them gently. They should feel firm, not rock hard or mushy. If you spot any bulging, cracking, or soft spots, it's time to replace them. Remember, rubber parts age even if you don't drive much. Heat cycles dry them out, and oil vapors from the engine bay make them brittle over time. Spend just 5 minutes under the hood once a month. That tiny habit could save you from being stranded by a $20 part. Habit number 5. Check engine oil level and condition. Here's one of the most important checks, but the one most drivers forget. Once a month, take a few minutes to check your engine oil level and condition. Start by warming up the engine, then let it sit for a minute. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and pull it out again to read the level. If it's low, top it off. If it looks black and smells burnt, it's time for an oil change. But don't just look at the level, feel it too. Rub a little oil between your fingers. If it feels gritty, that's metal or carbon, a clear sign your oil isn't protecting your engine anymore. Remember, oil is the blood of your engine. It lubricates, cools, and keeps everything moving smoothly. Running with low or dirty oil is the fastest way to shorten your car's life. You wouldn't ignore your own blood pressure, so don't ignore your car's oil pressure either. Habit number 6. Inspect coolant reservoir. Let's talk about something most drivers forget: the coolant reservoir. It's easy to overlook since it's not always in plain sight, but it's one of the most important things to check. Coolant doesn't just keep your engine from overheating, it also prevents corrosion inside your engine and radiator. So once a month, take a minute to check the coolant level and color. If the level's low, top it up with the correct coolant mix, not just water. If the fluid looks rusty, cloudy, or has floating debris, that means contamination, and it's probably time for a coolant flush. Also, inspect around the reservoir cap and the hoses. If you see dried coolant residue, that chalky white or green crust, that's a sign of a small leak that could turn into a big problem later. Engines die young from overheating, and keeping your coolant clean and at the right level is cheap insurance against that. Habit number 7. Keep battery terminals and cables clean. Here's a simple check that can prevent a lot of electrical headaches: cleaning your battery terminals and cables. Once a month, pop the hood and take a quick look. If you notice white or bluish corrosion around the terminals, clean it off right away. You can use a wire brush or even a mix of baking soda and water to neutralize the acid and remove the buildup. That corrosion might look harmless, but it acts like a resistor. It weakens the connection, puts extra stress on your alternator, and can even mess with your starting voltage. A weak connection means your car might crank slower or not start at all, and that's an easy problem to avoid. So keep those terminals clean and tight. A clean battery is a happy battery, and your starter motor will thank you every time you turn the key. Habit number 8. Check the air filter. Every engine needs to breathe, and the air filter is what makes that possible. Once a month, take a moment to check it. Even if you replaced it recently, driving in dusty or dirty environments can clog it faster than you'd think. Pull it out and hold it up to the light. If you can't see much light coming through, it's time to replace it. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, reduces power, and hurts your fuel economy. It also makes your engine work harder, which can pull unfiltered air past the seals. And that's how dirt and dust sneak inside. Replacing an air filter only takes a few minutes, and it costs next to nothing. Engines are expensive, air filters aren't. So don't cheap out on this one. Keep it clean, keep it fresh, and let your engine breathe the way it should. Habit number 9. Check tire pressure and alignment. Next up, your tire pressure and alignment. Now you might think, what's that got to do with engine life? More than you think. Underinflated tires mean more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder just to keep the car moving. And if your alignment's off, you're not just wearing out tires. You're adding drag, wasting fuel, and stressing your suspension and drivetrain. Once a month, grab a decent tire gauge and check all 4 corners, including the spare. Adjust pressures to the recommended levels, usually on the driver's door jamb. If the steering wheel's off-center or you feel pulling to one side, get an alignment check. A straight, balanced car is an efficient one. Habit number 10. Check for fluid leaks under the car. Alright, this one's easy, but it can save your engine's life. Once a month, look under your car. Literally just look. Any dark spots on the driveway? Any fresh drips after parking overnight? Identify the color, brown or black. Engine oil, reddish. Transmission or power steering fluid, green, orange, or pink. Coolant, clear. Probably AC condensation, that one's fine. A small leak today can become a catastrophic failure tomorrow. Engines rarely blow up out of nowhere. They bleed to death slowly, while their owners don't notice. So make it a habit. Glance under your car before pulling out each morning. Once a month, do a thorough check. Habit number 11. Scan for error codes. You don't need a repair shop to tell you what your car's computer already knows. All you need is a simple OBD2 scanner. You can get one online for around 20 bucks. Once a month, plug it in and scan your car. Even if your check engine light isn't on, you might still find pending codes. These are early signs that something's starting to go wrong. Before it becomes a real problem, you might catch a misfire, a failing oxygen sensor, or a small evap leak. And spotting those issues early means you can fix them cheaply before they turn into costly repairs. Plus, scanning gives you peace of mind. You'll know exactly what's happening under the hood instead of guessing or waiting for a warning light to show up. It's quick, it's simple, and it can save you a lot of money in the long run. Habit number 12. Inspect spark plug wires and coils. Your ignition system is the heart of combustion. Weak spark equals incomplete burn, equals wasted fuel and carbon buildup. Once a month, pop the cover and inspect your spark plug wires and coils. Look for cracking, corrosion, or burn marks. If you see white residue near the coil boots or plugs, that's arcing. Replace them. On coil-on-plug systems, check for oil in the spark plug wells. That means a leaking valve cover gasket. If you have old-style plug wires, try misting a little water in the dark and watch for sparks. If you see any light show, those wires are done. Good ignition means clean combustion, better mileage, and longer engine life. Simple as that. Habit number 13. Use a fuel system treatment. And finally, once a month, treat your fuel system. Add a bottle of a quality fuel system cleaner to your tank before a fill-up. It cleans injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Especially if you mostly drive short trips, fuel additives help dissolve the carbon and varnish that builds up over time. Just make sure you're using a trusted brand, not snake oil. Look for detergents like PEA, polyethylamine, on the label. That's the real stuff that works. Your engine will idle smoother, start easier, and stay cleaner internally. It's a small step that pays off big over time. And there you have it, 13 simple habits that, if you do once a month, will keep your engine running like new for decades. You don't need fancy tools, a mechanic's license, or a garage full of gear. Just a few minutes, some awareness, and a bit of consistency. Because car maintenance isn't about reacting to breakdowns. It's about preventing them before they start. If this video helped you, hit that like button so more people can find it. Leave a comment below and tell us, which of these habits do you already do, and which one are you going to start? And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice for keeping your car running right, subscribe to MotorMinds and check out our other videos. We've got guides on everything from used car inspections to hidden maintenance tricks most owners miss. Until next time, keep your tools handy, your fluids topped up, and your engine running smooth. You've been watching MotorMinds. Drive smart. We'll see you in the next one.